Okay, let's see what she does. Oh, she cries! She's crying everywhere. She's crying on her cat. It's Bryn's toy time. Let's see if she cries, or tinkle, or let's see if she color changes, spit, cry, tinkle. That's all. Okay, let's see what she does. Oh, she cries! She's crying everywhere. She's crying on her cat. She's crying everywhere. She's even crying on her cat. Stop crying on your cat. Your cat doesn't like it when you cry on her. Ooh, meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. She pees. Oh, you're peeing everywhere. Stop it, cat. Stop shading. Stop eating. Yeah, Peter, this cat toilet. Oh, Pete's on his cat toilet. Oh, get out of that pee cat. Get out. And even let me take my shoes off. These shoes are dirty. And I do not want to slip. So let's try not to slip, guys. She's still gonna try not to slip. Why did I fall in your pee? No, the cat pooped. Hey, why did you poop here? I told you not to, and you still did. Get over here. Yeah. I'm playing now. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Hold on. Now I'm putting it in your carrier, which is trash can. So break her trash can. Okay, I'll put it in her stand. Okay. Right back. Whoa. You must be a slippery cat. Hey, why did you just poop again? Okay, now I'm going to bring, and you don't wake me up, cat. I'm even wearing your scarf too. I mean, my scarf. Okay, let me just put my scarf on.